Hello, my name is Elena Degtyareва. I'm from Russia. In this video, I would like to show you my program in Python multiplication table from 1 to 10 using nested loops. You see this code, it's very easy, I think so. And let's try it. Click on it. Okay. Okay, you see this multiplication table from 1 to 10. Let's try it again. I click it. You see multiplication table. Okay, and one moment, I would like to show the another program. Just now you see the another program using a loop to print the multiplication table for a given number from 1 to 10. And you see our sprite Toby, and he gives all answers. Okay, let's start it. Click it. In just a moment. Okay, enter a number, for example 2. Okay, take it, and you see sprite Toby says, okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, every 2 seconds. Okay, let's try again. Click it, and multiplication table for 5. Okay, enter. Okay, I think it's more interesting for children to see all answers here, not there, here. Thank you very much.